Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Minnie. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright, so in today's video, I will be rating my makeup videos. Yeah, yeah. Something new, I think, but I will be rating my makeup videos from back in the days till recent makeup video. Alright? So if you want to see that, stick around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on that post notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can be notified. All right, so let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so I don't think this video is gonna be a long video because of the amount of videos that I found, but it will be a good one. It will be a good video. Alright? So the first picture or video. Alright, so the first picture is this picture. Yes, this picture. Me like this. Me like this. Me like the makeup here. Red lips. Love red lips. And it's just a simple beat, a soft beat. So honestly, I was going to, I think I was going to Sumfist right here. Sumfist, yes. I like the makeup look here. It look really nice. It look really nice. So honestly, and this are back then. I tell you like about 20 before 2019. I mean, I really remember the year, but me love this. So honestly, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This just soft and nice. Tell me what you think in the comments. Number one, straight 10 out of 10, me I tell you. Yeah, I like this. Girl look good. Girl face look good. Red lips always. Me like this. Alright, next one now. Alright, so this video, nice clean video. It's a soft beat, simple beat. You know, so I love my red lips already. Yeah, I was heading to the breakfast party right here. So yeah, nice simple beat. Honestly, would I give this a 9 out of 10. It just simple and nice and have a little the little gold glitter thing under my eyes. Yeah man, me give this one. Let me just say 9 out of 10. Yeah, simple and nice. Love it. I love it. Alright, so next video. These are two videos I'm gonna put in one. Two videos. So these videos now I was heading to Mayhem Negril. Yeah, I was heading to Mayhem. Honestly, now this makeup, sorry, as me say, I love my red lips. So this makeup now, I would give it a, and I'm talking for myself. Well, yeah, I have to talk for myself. So I will give this makeup look a solid 7. Looking back at it now, I don't know if it is too much or what, but it look cute still, you know. But honestly, I would give this a solid 7. Solid 7. I would give this a solid 7. It's still cute. Yeah, I kind of look fussy still, but I like it. So, a solid 7. Alright, next one now. This one, I was going to staff party. Staff party. Nice, simple. As me say again, me love my red lips. Right? So, soft, simple beat. I will give this honestly, would I give this one 9, you know? Me would I give this one 9. 9 would I give this. Let me know in the comments how much you would rate this video. I will give it a 9. Yeah, man. It just soft, smooth, and nice. Excuse me. So I will give that a 9. Alright, so as we said, people, this video is not gonna be a lengthy video, right? Some just have cut and go through. Okay. So the next video, honestly, I really don't like this video. Sorry guys. I really don't. Well, me not so me not like but me did pregnant, so me look really different. Yeah, me did pregnant. Me look really different. This is back in 2020, 2020, February 2020. So me just look different. Yeah, me pregnant and everything, but and it be kind of it's soft and nice, I just my face. Me don't know what to say. Me don't know what to say. But honestly, I'm gonna give this one 6. Even though it's soft and nice, I'm gonna give it one 6. Just for how me look. Just for how my face look. True, me pregnant. Everybody knows that when I'm pregnant, changes and all of that. But personally, me would have just give it one 6. So you can let me know in the comments what you think. Alright? Next one now. Next one. Next one. So, I need somebody to tell me in the comments why me make the girl do my face so. Why me full of so much colors? Eh? And me did a go one breakfast party, Breakfast party, me did a go again. So let me tell you what happened. Me show the girl my outfit. Me show her my outfit. And she say I them the colors there. So me say, just do your thing, girl. Do your thing. And the girl freestyle on my face, man. That's all I say, the girl freestyle on my face. Yeah, a big makeup artist now, and a big up herself, Gabby. Big up herself. Yeah. But it's nice. But looking back at it now, this did too much. Like it was too much. Like me know I say my favorite clown, but it was too much. No, me I try to find the outfit for me see. But honestly, looking back at it right now, for me it is too much. But girl, I'm gonna face. Honestly, me like this one. When I give this one 6.5. When I give this one 6.5. Because honestly, back then it didn't look good to me. It still look good, But to me now, in a this day and age, it's too much. So me would I give it a 6.5. And you can also let me know in the comments what you think. Alright? Moving right along. This was my birthday. This was my birthday. And honestly, me really and truly did love the makeup here. Me not tell no lie. Me love the makeup here and me give this a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah. I think this was 2019. Sorry, people. 2019. 2019 makeup here, me give it a 10 out of 10. Big up the makeup artist there. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Straight 10 out of 10, metal. And you can also let me know in the comments what you think. Alright? So, moving right along. So this was I was heading to the family function that I told you guys in the previous vlog or the previous video. Yeah. Me they telling me say me they try to make makeup look good to me, which me know so me never like it. So me they try. And honestly, no matter how me try, it just never look good to me. Me don't know if I lip combo when do. Me don't know if I the lips or the foundation or the what in use, but me just did a try to see if me like it, but it just never did a work. And it made me honestly like I did night and it made me look really, really dark. So when I take a picture and it flash, it never look good. So honestly, me more give this a 4. Me no know. To me. So to me, me give it a 4. I'm not really like it or anything, but I can't go on. As we say, me I try force myself if I like it, but me not like it. Moving right along. And me not have much. Me not have much. Me just could have find what me could have find in a where's up my name? I say me not really have much. So this one is recently. This is recently in November. And honestly, I would give this a 10 out of 10. The girl sit down in my face and my face look nice. May I tell her 10 out of 10. More I give this a makeup here. But people, 10 to arena one. Only they know say me did up on Billboard on myself back in a 2019 or 2018. I think a 2019 or 2018 and I think one of them year there. Me did up on Billboard. You see the same breakfast party when me telling this time ago? You see, after the breakfast party, girl, make it on the Billboard for the next breakfast party. Yeah, not sure now. Then look palm me, big palm Billboard down a serve. Me all there nigga I must see more be alone, me never come. Big down a serve. But me look good still, you know. Me look good on Billboard. Then catch my face too. Eh? But me dey on Billboard if you party. Look nice still. But when me say people, them back then me they a do road. Me say me a do road. Me say me a do road. You get me? Yes, me say me reach on Billboard. No, sir. But guys, that's it. Told you guys it wasn't long. And I hope you do like this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at mini_Burrell. And I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.